How to cite in Overleaf. And for this, first of all, we want to create a new file. So we click on new file and then change the name right here to references.bib. And then we change this to a small one. Yes, like this. And then we do create. And then right here, we need to go to Google Scholar and we go back and then we search for a file that we want to use. So let's say, for example, this right here. Then we click on Cite, BibTeX. And then we copy this complete text right here. And then we do right mouse click, copy, go back, and then we paste it right here. Now we go back to main text. And then right now, if you want to put something right here, first do recompile because there's something wrong. But then right now we do /cite, and then we click here on the Henry article that we wrote. And then we can write something before this. So like Henry told us in 1950, something like this. And then we have here text with the cite right there. And if you now click on recompile, you have right here the cite. And what if you want to add references under the page? Then what we can do is /bibliography. And then we do style first. And then we do plain right here. So this. Then we do some enters. And then under here we do /bibliography. And then references. And right now, if you do recompile again, we have the references standing right here. And if you now want this on a new page, then we click right here, /new page. And then we do recompile again. And then right now the references are standing here on a new page. So this is how you can cite in Overleaf LaTeX. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.